Hi, it's Trisha Lee again here with Red. We're just taking a little ride out here and thought I'd make a video to everybody in Chicago was making videos. So they something I really learned is that to do this internet marketing thing, you need to get on camera and make some videos. And I'm here trying to make my videos entertaining by doing them while on horseback, but it's probably making for a little bit of a shaky experience for the viewer. Not the smoothest ride, old Red here, but he's a beauty, I tell you. But anyway, I'm just super excited that I've been freed from my 9 to 5 grind, and I get to come out here every day now and ride my horse and just do the things I'm passionate about. And yeah, my 9 to 5 job was not one of the things that I'm passionate about in life. So thanks to the Empower Network, I'm always doing things I'm passionate about, and I can make a video here that you might find entertaining or valuable because I'm able to be here. And I guarantee you, you would not want to watch me working at my other job. That would have been some pretty boring freaking footage. So I hope you enjoy my little horseback ride commentary that I give you every now and then here. I know I sure do. So yeah, I guess that's about all I wanted to say. I'm kind of new. Thanks.